There are hundreds of millions of hours of video published every single day on the internet. You're looking to create engaging videos that draw people to your courses, your products, your services. And so if you want to level up, you have to level up in terms of not just the technical side, some of which I've covered before in the marketing course and in the online summit, but also the experiential side. What are you bringing that really is of value to your specific audience? Ask yourself before you press that play button, what is it that I am going to bring to my audience today that is of inestimable value to them? Once you've decided that, everything should serve that one single objective. My objective in this video, if we're getting a little bit meta about this, is to tell you, bring an objective to your videos. So we've gone into, I know, some of the physical side, some of the vocal side. That for me is base level, it's a given. And if you haven't seen that material, I suggest you reach out to David or to one of the guys at Zenler and check out that foundational stuff, because without that you cannot be professional on camera. But once you've mastered those and you've incorporated those, then look at the content side and that single line that goes through your material. Once you've decided on that line, then let's just say, for example, my objective today is to let you know about my next course on charisma on camera, my next workshop. So then think to yourself, well, if that's my objective, is to let you know that, how can I begin in a way that's far away from that? So it gives me a journey to go on through my video. And that's what's known in Hollywood, if you like, as a character arc, a bit of a transformational journey. So I could start a video that lets you know about charisma with a story or an incident or a question that points to a complete lack of charisma. For example, I could begin my video. When you make a video, do you feel that your voice is flat, or that you're lacking energy, or that you're just not engaging with people on camera? You can see what I'm doing is I'm setting out the scene of my client's pain points in order then to reach through all the way to the end where I say, join my workshop and you too will be professional on camera, so you can sell, serve and scale with the power of video. And then in the middle, you want to have some kind of a twist or an anecdote or a surprise or a something that comes in and continues to engage. So if this is the beginning, gets engagement, gets attention, this is the end where you're putting your passion into it, you want a tent peg in the middle of the tent to hold the structure up. Let me tell you about one of my most unusual clients. It was a Chihuahua. Actually, it wasn't. I'm making that up as an example of a surprise. That's going to wake people up. So think of something in your context that will just enliven people and then deliver with power at the end. So start with the end, work out your beginning, prop it up in the middle and follow that line through, and you will have leveled up your videos.